matte gray black na kulay ng Yamaha Aerox 155. Yung windshield niya is parang siyang tinted black. Yamaha emblem sa gitna. Decals dito na may gray. Dagdagan mo pa na LED yung mga ilaw, split LED. Mini na parang may sungay dito na VVA. Single hydraulic disc, standard version. Yung gulong ay merong size na 110 by 80 by 40. Single pot caliper. Tubeless na rin yung kanyang mga tires. Para siyang kasing merong heart shape dito. May emblem din dito ng Yamaha. Dual suspension, kung makikita nyo, dual shocks naman siya. 140 by 70 by 14. IRC na rin. Drum brakes, liquid cooling system, orasan, speedometer, RPM indicator, fuel indicator, odometer naman. Meron siyang Yamaha Motorcycle Connect. 790mm sa kanyang seat height. Meron itong weight ng 122 kg. Liquid cooled engine, fuel injected na. Single cylinder, 155cc and 4 valves. VVA pa siya or variable valve actuation. Single hydraulic disc, mechanical leading, trailing, or fuel tank capacity na 5.5 liters. 12 volts power out. Palaki na kanyang seat storage. 124,000 pesos.